What is up, everybody? It's Dakota here for yet another video, and today we are modifying my new gsxr600 for the first time. I just got some parts in, like I mentioned in the last video, and I'm super excited to show you guys because I just want to rip this package open, so let's go ahead and get to it. Right, I wonder what could be inside. Let's see. Alright guys, here we are. Inside of this box is the box. Alright everybody, so after that other box, we actually got a decently nice little package here for the amount of money I spent. So, let's see what is in here. If I can get it open. Oh my god, come on. Alright, so we have... oh my god. Alright everybody, after that tiring package opening, I can't stop looking at this thing. So basically what we have here, everybody, is a new reason for my neighbors to hate me. We basically have a straight pipe or muffler delete for my gsxr600. Honestly guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a universal kit. I've watched some videos. I am pretty sure we can install this. If not, $40 wasted, whatever. But god, this thing looks really good for 40 bucks. I mean, it's just like my Z650. Look at the welds on this for the price and just the way they did the tip. Man, that looks cool. So, this looks super cool. But I did ride the bike today, so I'm going to let it sit and cool down. And then once it is all cool, I will show you how to remove the stock muffler. And we're going to see if we can get this installed. Alright guys, so we're out here with my bike right now. I'm going to install that. But first, like I said, some stock exhaust revs. Just a little bit of them so I'm in my apartment. So it sounds really good, but I'm excited to put that on. Well, that was pretty easy. To get the stock heat shield off, all you're going to need to take off is this bolt, and it's going to be, let's see, a 5mm hex socket. So that size, it's pretty straightforward. And then this is a 12mm bolt. Then that down there is a 12mm bolt, because this is just a slip-on. So we're going to go ahead and unbolt all of that, and then I'm going to see how to mount this, and I'll show you. Alright guys, so we got it on. It looks pretty damn cool, I'm not going to lie. Really like how it looks, and it kind of connects like straight from the path, so that looks pretty cool. Kind of reminds me of like a Toast exhaust, but not like fully black. Guys, I am so nervous for how this thing's going to sound. I hope it's not stupid loud, but, you know, we'll see. Obviously right now the baffle's in. Now, I'm going to say this exhaust probably isn't going to be on this thing forever because the fitment from a $40 exhaust, awful. So I had to make it work by tightening this clamp down extremely hard, and thankfully it's not going anywhere. But if it does, 40 bucks, but eventually I will upgrade to probably like an M4 or a Toast or something like that. But eventually I'm going to figure out a bracket so I can just kind of make sure it doesn't fly off behind me. So that's good. I'm going to give you guys a startup. This is going to be with the baffle in. Super nervous for how this sounds, so let's keep our fingers crossed, guys. Here we go. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of shocked. It was way quieter than I thought it was going to be. It's probably the decibel killer that's in it right now, so it's doing a damn good job. I don't have the tool with me to take the decibel killer out, so I don't have that at the moment. But let's see. That's at idle. Let's see just some baby revs real quick. Okay, it sounds actually really good. Wow, I'm surprised for how cheap this thing was. Let me get out of my apartment and see if I can go get some actual revs for you guys. Alright guys, now that I'm in a more secluded area, I can finally, you know, give it some actual revs. On the way over here, honestly, it sounded the same. I'm gonna have to take out that decibel killer because I'm surprised at how quiet it is right now. But after a few revs, it is a little bit louder, but that is coming out. And then as soon as I get the tool for that and take it out, I'll go for another ride and I'll show you guys how it sounds. But this is with the decibel killer, so about stock-ish plus, but I'm sure that taken out will be super loud, so let's see. So we've ran into our first problem. As you can see, took out the bolt for the decibel killer and they welded it in there, which is stupid. That it, like, why? I'm going to get this out, and I guess we're just going to have to ride it without a decibel killer, because this thing ain't not going back in. So, I mean, still fit good, but so, in the meantime, just because we have it off, I'm going to see how it sounds completely straight pipes. Let's see. Here we go. That sounded great, so I'm gonna by force take that decibel killer out, and hopefully we have a deeper tone when we put it back in, but I will update you guys in a little bit. Okay everybody, finally got that thing out. Literally had to use a big screwdriver and a hammer to start chiseling it out, and God. Anyways, so now I'm gonna button it back up and we're gonna see what it sounds like without the decibel killer. Here's the startup without the decibel killer. Alright everybody, so I was able to get to a spot where I can actually give it some really good revs, and I'm super happy I took that baffle out because man, it sounds so good now. Here's how it sounds, guys. I cannot get over that sound. It's amazing. So I just love how it looks and how it sounds. This whole thing is great, and the fitment works actually pretty good for what we were, doing. Eventually it might get some little bracket, but that's holding on really damn tight, surprisingly, for now. So that is just so much better without the baffle in it. Alright everybody, that's where I'm going to go end in today's video. I hope you enjoy the new exhaust as much as I do. I love it. And as of just getting home, new bike parts got delivered, so that's going to be another video. And I have more parts coming for the cars, so I hope you all are excited for that. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.